I'm Summer Huntington, I own the Shala, and I am dedicated to helping our community return back to fitness studios, gyms, and yoga studios safely. I serve on the Whatcom Health Task Force team as a volunteer, and my goal is to maximize consumer confidence and consistency in the client experience as we move back to training in group classes. In this video, I hope to walk you through all of the Shala practices that we've implemented to keep you safe and healthy. Social distance markers make it easy for you to see where to stand as you arrive, and once you are training in the gym with up to 5 people. As we move to phase 3, we will operate at half capacity and keep all of our awesome virtual classes running. We have converted all classes to be a hybrid of virtual classes and allowing in-person reservations on MindBody to maximize safety and keep our higher risk clients training at home to boost immunity and stay connected to their coaches. All coaches and clients are required to wear masks in the facility in phase 2 and encouraged in phase 3, though we're still waiting for guidelines there. As you arrive to the Shala, keep your keys and your shoes outside, pump a bit of hand sanitizer, and your coach will give you a quick and easy no-touch thermometer check to ensure your temperature is below 100 degrees. Of course, if you've had any symptoms, please stay at home. Coaches are excited to work with you and will have you fill out a quick waiver your first time back to the studio and give you a brief safety training before class. We have a no-shame policy, and if you feel uncomfortable training in a group, take care of you and feel free just to leave at any time. We support you and want you to feel comfortable with any decisions you need to make. Our coaches will coach the group and our virtual studio, a brand new hybrid style membership where you can get access to high quality coaching at home or in our beautiful studio with lofted ceilings, bay views, and all the good vibes. Our Karma Yogi cleaning team has been trained on all COVID compliant protocols and have been cleaning the studio daily for the past few weeks to gear up for us welcoming clients back. We use 90% rubbing alcohol in our cleaning solutions for our zebra mat floors and steam mop them daily. We encourage you to bring your own mat and equipment too. We have hand sanitizer all around the studio and signage and social distance markers to prevent bottlenecking in higher traffic zones. Thank you for your commitment to training at the Shala Virtual Studio, and we look forward to seeing you in person when you feel ready.